We get it. We're service industry pros ourselves, and we know how hard it is to keep it all running smoothly. Kickserv's success team is approachable, and we provide affordable tools to give you control over your field service business. We've helped thousands of businesses ditch paper, spreadsheets, and Post-it notes. We also help businesses get out of expensive, overly complicated software that just creates headaches. We just want you to be able to manage your customers, leads, estimates, schedules, and invoicing more efficiently and get paid. This is service made simple. Be the first to respond to potential customers and win the business. With Kickserv, you'll improve the number of inbound leads you convert to jobs. You'll also improve scheduling, reduce missed appointments, and meet your customer expectations. All of this drives a great customer experience, repeat business, and referrals. Now you can free up your time to focus on customers and drive more sales. With Kickserv, it really is that simple. Start a free account or a trial for a full-featured plan today.